The LunaTouch has 19 optional features. First, we'll show you how to access and adjust the settings, then we'll walk you through each feature and its function. Press and hold the power button until the display turns off. Then press and hold the menu button until you see Setup in the bottom right. Press OK to enter the Features menu. The current optional feature number is displayed in the top right of the screen. Press OK to cycle through the 19 available features. To adjust the setting you have selected, use the up and down arrows, and press the power button to confirm. Press it again to return to the main menu. Return to the Optional Features menu, where we'll now walk you through all 19 features and their functions. Feature 01 is sensor selection. The options are 00, internal air sensor. This is the default option. 01, remote air sensor. 02, remote floor sensor. 03, internal air and remote floor sensor. And 04, remote air and remote floor sensor. Feature 02 is the time format. This is set to 24-hour by default. You can change this to the 12-hour format using the arrows. Feature 03 is temperature format. This is set to Celsius by default. You can change this to Fahrenheit if required. Feature 04 is frost protection. This is a safety feature to turn your heating on if the temperature falls below 12 degrees. This is on by default. You can turn this off if needed by changing it to 01 using the arrows. Feature 05 is program mode. This has three options. 00, non-programmable, 01, 5-day 2-day programmable, and 02, 7-day programmable. Feature 06 controls the on-off status at power up. The LunaTouch can be set to turn on or stay off when powered. By default, it's set to 02, auto on-off. This returns it to the same state it was in when it was last powered off. 00 is off when powered up. And 01 is on when powered up. Feature 07 is temperature calibration. The default is 0 degrees, but can be adjusted between -10 and 10 degrees. Feature 08 is switching differential. This controls how much the room temperature must change before the heating turns on or off, to maintain the program temperature you've set. The default is set to 1 degree, but you can adjust this between 1 and 3 degrees using the arrows. Feature 09 is maximum room temperature. By default this is set to 35 degrees, but can be adjusted between 7 and 49.5 degrees. Feature 10 is minimum temperature. The default is 5 degrees, but can be adjusted from 0 to 33 degrees. Feature 11 is output delay. This can be used to prevent repeated on-off switching. This can be adjusted between 0 and 15 minutes using the arrows. Feature 12 is optimum start, which allows the system to turn on ahead of your scheduled program time to reach the target temperature. The default is 0, but you can adjust this up to 3 hours. Feature 13 is rate of change, showing you how many minutes it takes to heat by 1 degree. This cannot be changed. Feature 14 is the floor temperature limit, which allows you to adjust the maximum floor temperature when a floor sensor is installed. The default is 28 degrees, but can be adjusted between 20 and 60 degrees. Feature 15 is the setback enable, allowing the LunaTouch to act as a setback thermostat controlled by a separate programmer. It must be in non-programmable mode to enable this feature. Feature 16 is the setback temperature. By default, this is set to 4 degrees, but can be adjusted from 3 to 5 degrees. Feature 17 is thermostat or timer mode. The default is thermostat, but can be adjusted to operate as a single-channel timer. Feature 18 is floor sensor calibration. The default is 0 degrees, but can be adjusted between -10 and 10 degrees. Feature 19 is the system cycle feature. Set to 01, on, will activate heating for 3 minutes every Sunday at 8 a.m. Set to 00 disables this feature. You have now cycled through all 19 optional features. To save your changes, press the power button to confirm, and press it again to return to the main screen.